Back putting this PVC valve back in here. This one side, this bitch had holes acting like it don't want to go in there. It don't look too bad, but it's original, it's old as hell. Go Mo, what's that word? I'm back with another video. I'm back on this celica, back outside. I'm back putting this PVC valve back in here. I already took the old one out. I'm going back in, okay? Yes, sir. I got this good hose, kid. It came in the mail. Yes, sir. Work that up on that cut. Yes, sir. That's another. Turn my clip. Yes, sir. Bring the other end down through here. Yes, sir. Put my clip on there first. That's how I want that clip on this thing. Guess I got a bang bang, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Get on there. You found it?
Yeah.
Where you found it? Get in the attic. Man, one side of this bitch had holes acting like. This one side of this bitch had holes acting like it don't want to go in there. I think I might have to move this hose out of the way. Yes, sir.
What they doing?
Get with y'all in a minute, gang. I'm back, gang. Going in again. Yes, sir. That don't look too bad. It's cracked, though. It don't look too bad. But it's original. It's old as hell. About 23 years. Look like 23 years old today, fam. Yes, sir. It's go mode forever, baby. Better know it. Get these good clamps up over there. All rusties. It's the old rusties good. Yes, sir. The new cable got that Johnson spatter to this the new hose. Vacuum line, breathing hose. Oh, they definitely. Get you some of that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And it working again. Putting a good breather hose on there. PVC hose, breather hose, installed. Cause put this junk on together. Everything I pull off, OEM. I ain't never did nothing to this car. I put my of my own. So I put my own touches on it. I ain't did nothing since I bought it, guys. So this season I'm going crazy with the upgrades. Yes, sir.